Hello, welcome to Geek-Dom. I'm your host, Don. Okay, so this video is going to be the next installment in my NEMS series. This is installing the NRPE plugin on a Linux, specifically a Raspberry Pi remote machine. What the NRPE plugin does, it allows a more active checking of remote hosts. It actually allows a NEMS server to connect to the remote host and then execute plugins that are on that remote host. So you get more of an active monitoring. So first thing we're going to do is go to our dashboard and then go to NEMS documentation. And then we're going to scroll down to helping NEMS talk to Linux clients using NRPE. We'll be doing a video soon on how to install it on a Windows machine. But for today, I'm going to go here, and the reason I'm going here is this right here. I can't remember this off the top of my head. It's always good to come here, and if there's a new build, this link will get updated. So with that, let's go ahead and log into my test box here. Now, if you're running just a standard Raspbian image, we're going to do a step here. Regardless of what Linux system you're running this on, this has to be run as root. Sudo is not going to work, at least as far as I know. So with that, standard Raspbian, I don't know what the root password is. I don't even know if it's set. So we're going to enable that with sudo passwd root. I'm going to create a new password. Okay. Now we're going to start our root session with su. That's password just created. And here we are. So now we're going to take the command that we got just a minute ago from the docs. Go ahead and start it. Now this does take quite a bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video, and once it's done, I will resume. Catch you in a bit. Okay, just wanted to unpause here for a second. During the installation, you will get this window to pop up asking if your DHCP server has WINS capability. This is my home network, so I don't. Your environment may differ, so just be aware of that. I'm going to go ahead and hit no if I'm actually in the window, and then it's going to continue on. So again, brief pause. Alright, now that the install is done, we need to head over to CD, user, Nagios, excuse me. And we are going to modify the NRPE CFG file, NRPE config. And we are going to search for, okay. So what this line is going to do, it's going to tell the NRPE client where it can accept connections from. You can do it by subnet. Pardon me. Since I only have one NEMS server, I'm just going to pop in. Alright. Sorry, I got to remember that my number pad is not configured. So I'm just going to pop in my IP address for my NEMS server. One, and we're going to go ahead and save that. Now we need to restart the NRPE plugin. Excuse me. and that's it. It's now configured with NRPE plugin, and it's set to accept connections from the NEMS server. Like I said, I will be doing a video on this for the Windows client, and then future videos actually getting into getting the plugins onto the remote host and configuring those for monitoring. So, hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you like NEMS, please consider becoming a patron. And if you got anything from this video or enjoyed it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button below. And I will catch you next time. Thanks.